Hey, I'm going to show you how I use n8n to automatically analyze my Serp Bear data and send me a report every week so that I don't have to manually do it myself. So first of all, what's Serp Bear? Serp Bear is an open source SERP analysis tool that you can self-host yourself. So I've self-hosted it, so it's free of charge. And what you can do is you can see all the keywords that your website is ranking for, the impressions, the visits, the positions, how it's doing week over week, over days. So it's a really cool tool to analyze how you are ranking on Google. But you still need to look at all the data on the website, analyze it, and think about how you can turn it into actionable steps to increase the position of your blogs on your website. So using n8n, you can actually generate a report every week so you don't have to manually do it yourself. And I'll just show you what the output looks like. I've copied the output into a text editor so it's easy to read. You can see that it analyzed the data and it's giving me, the top keywords I have. Some of them declining, some of them are stable, some of them are improving. None of the keywords are in top 10. Actual budget synology is the one that's improving the most. So you can see all these interesting insights that are actionable things you can do to make your content rank higher. And also have to pay attention to certain things that are declining in position, right? And so you can get this report emailed to you or saved somewhere every week using my workflow. So let's go into the n8n workflow. So first, you have to schedule a trigger. So this runs every Thursday night at midnight while I'm sleeping. So I wake up on Friday and I get the report. Or you can manually trigger it by pressing this button. Then it connects to Serp Bear. All you need to do is download my workflow in the description below. Enter the URL of your website. You basically just need to change this part and keep the N right there. And then you need to set up your authentication. You need to generate a token, set the name as authorization, and then bearer, B-E-A-R-E-R, space, and then your token, input it there. And then you need to go down and you have to add a parameter, add in the website you want to retrieve the data from. Authentication token is in part of the folder when you set up Serp Bear. You can't generate it using the website. So if you've lost it, you probably need to find your environment variables and look for that folder when you set up again, or you have to just set up Serp Bear a second time. Okay, and then it grabs the data from Serp Bear using the API, cleans the code, and then it sends to OpenRouter. OpenRouter basically essentially allows you to call different AI models. And let's dive into it. Here you see that I'm using Meta Lama as an LLM because it's free of charge. You can change it to Claude, ChatGPT, whatever you want. And then the instruction is you're an SEO expert. These are the keyword data. Can you summarize the data and then give me some suggestions? So you can modify this prompt to give you even more meaningful suggestions and play around with that. And then it'll save it to my date table, which is base row. And then you'll see that every week it runs and then it gives me an analysis of my website on how I can improve. And that's how I improve the rankings of my content on my website using this n8n workflow. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe. I built an n8n AI SEO system where not only does it analyze your SERP, but also takes your Google Analytics and all your other data and gives you a comprehensive report on how to improve your website every week. If you're interested, check the description below. Thank you.